Welcome to the farm, it's a warm sunny day. The animals are waiting, let's go out and play. We'll walk nice and slowly, there's so much to see. Come along little one, come along with me. Moo moo moo, says the cow so big and round. Moo moo moo, what a lovely big cow sound. She lives in the meadow where the green grasses grow. She shakes her soft tail in the warm golden glow. Woof woof woof, I never stop with a wagging tail. Woof woof woof, on the path by the old fence rail. He loves to run circles round the big red barn. He keeps all the animals safe on the farm. Meow meow meow, says the cat soft and small. Meow meow meow, curled up by the old stone wall. She stretches her paws in the warm morning light. Her coat is so fluffy and her eyes are so bright. Quack quack quack, says the duck at the little blue pond. Quack quack quack, of the water she is so fond. She waddles and splashes and ruffles her wings, a quacking and splashing and doing duck things. Oink oink oink, says the pig in the soft muddy pen. Oink oink oink, she rolls in the cool mud again. Her snout does a wiggle, her curly tail spins. She snorts a big snort and she grins and she grins. Ba ba ba, says the sheep with her wool fluffy white. Ba ba ba, what a soft and a cozy delight. She nibbles the clover that grows by the gate, the fluffiest friend on the whole of the estate. Moo moo moo, says the cow so big and round. Moo moo moo, what a lovely big cow sound. We'll walk nice and slowly, there's so much to see. Come along little one, come along with me. Cock-a-doodle-doo, crows the rooster up high. Cock-a-doodle-doo, as the sun fills the sky. He wakes up the farm every bright morning new, the loudest good morning from the whole farm crew. Now the sun's going down and the stars start to glow. The animals are sleepy and the breezes blow low. Close your eyes little one, every friend says good night. The farm is all cozy till the next morning light.